Q136 cruise trains. UW radio. Alright, miss. Be careful, alright? Just be careful. Yeah. Just be careful, okay? The kid in the white shirt is just train insanity. The kid in the white shirt. Uh-oh. That's Mitch. He's in train buff. Geez, he's big enough. Oh my God, it's Buckley! AKA Trainhead Productions and a good friend. But this guy in a blue suit is the latest man. I got you on video.
You got me on radio?
Yeah, I'm recording right now. So, how you doing, sir?
Hey, what's up, bro?
My head a little full.
No.
So I'm recording too. First time I did this. I seen you on his video.
Yeah.
So this first time I meet you though.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you. I'm George.
My head.
All right, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Fort Smith, Virginia.
Yeah, it sounds right.
He's been on the road for 7 years.
Wow.
Good.
Stepped on a time
Hey, miss, if you want to course now. But be careful.
He's right though. He's still right.
Yeah. Alright, guys, this will be part 1. I'll put this back on when he gets ready to leave. So it'll be part 2. So this is one out of part 1.